In Westmoreland, intelligence has led to the arrest of persons within the past few days in the Whithorn area who are wanted for murder and other crimes. At the same time, our gang unit within CTOC has arrested 9 members of one gang, 4 of whom were previously before the court on anti-gang charges. However, for 2021, Westmoreland accounted for 128 murders, an increase of 60% when compared to the corresponding period of 2020, which is the 4th highest number of murders recorded among all police divisions. These were mainly due to violent gang conflicts and the murderous propensity to resolve differences or solve issues with extreme violence and with the use of illegal firearms.
The boundaries for this zone are as follows. To the north, beginning at the northern end of Seaton Crescent in the vicinity of the mangrove, on the eastern side of the Goodens River, the boundary extends in an easterly direction along Seaton Crescent, then north to Morris Street, then south onto Great George's Street to the intersection with Rose Street, then northeasterly along Rose Street to the Sigree Street intersection with Hudson Street. To the east, the boundary then extends southerly from the intersection of Sigree Street and Hudson Street and continues along Hudson Street, then along the water feature to the east of Hudson Street to the shoreline. To the south, the boundary continues in a westerly direction along the shoreline from where the water feature terminates to the mouth of the Goodens River. To the west, the boundary then extends in a northerly direction from the mouth of the Goodens River to the northern end of Seaton Crescent in the vicinity of the mangrove on the eastern side of the Goodens River.
The path that we are on in terms of resourcing our police, changing our laws, and using exceptional powers without taking lives is the right path if we are going to build a more kinder and gentler society. It will not be an easy path, and it may not be immediate, but it will lead us to the goal of peace, which we all want to achieve.